হ্যালো মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস, হোপ সবাই ভালো আছো এবং সুস্থ আছো। যারা এইমস নার্সিংয়ের প্রিপারেশান নিচ্ছ তারা অবশ্যই পুরো ভিডিওটা দেখো। আজ আমরা টার্গেট হাইয়ের 6th এডিশন থেকে নেওয়া এইমস রায়পুর 2021 প্র্যাকটিস করব। আমরা ডিফারেন্ট বুক থেকে কোয়েশ্চেন পেপার কালেক্ট করে এখানে আলোচনা করার চেষ্টা করছি, যাতে তোমরা সব রকম কোয়েশ্চেন দেখতে পাও। এবং যারা নেক্সট নর্সেক এক্সামে বসবে তারা অবশ্যই আমাদের চ্যানেলের শর্ট ভিডিওর ইমেজ বেস কোয়েশ্চেনগুলি দেখে নিও। সবাইকে অ্যাডভান্স বেস্ট অফ লাক। তো চলো বন্ধুরা, দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক। আজকে কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 1, হুইচ অ্যামাং দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ দ্য ন্যাশনাল ম্যাটারনিটি বেনিফিট স্কিম আন্ডার দ্য আমব্রেলা অফ ন্যাশনাল রুরাল হেলথ মিশন? অপশন এ বেটি বাঁচাও বেটি পড়াও যোজনা, অপশন বি চাইল্ড সার্ভাইভাল অ্যান্ড সেভ মাদারহুড প্রোগ্রাম, অপশন সি জননী সুরক্ষা যোজনা, অ্যান্ড অপশন ডি মিড ডে মিল প্রোগ্রাম। Here the right answer is option C, জননী সুরক্ষা যোজনা। National Maternity Benefit Scheme under the umbrella of National Rural Health Mission is জননী সুরক্ষা যোজনা। Question number 2. Who among the following has developed the concept of hierarchy of needs? Option A, Abraham Maslow, option B, Elton Mayo, option C, Kurt Lewin, and option D, Luther Gulick. It's a very easy question, so option A, Abraham Maslow is the right answer. Question number 3. Which of the following option defines an organization's purpose and primary objectives? Option A, mission statement, option B, model statement, option C, planning statement, and option D, research statement. Mission statement defines an organization's purpose and primary objectives. Question number 4. Which among the following is designed to analyze and represent the task involved in completing a project or a program? Option A, Gantt chart, option B, management plan, option C, program evaluation and review technique, and option D, SWOT analysis. Program evaluation and review technique is designed to analyze and represent the task involved in completing a project or a program. Question number 5. Which refers to the number of subordinates a manager can effectively manage? Option A, division of work, option B, principle of flexibility, option C, span of control, and option D, unity of command. Here the right answer is option C, span of control. Span of control refers to the number of subordinates a manager can effectively manage. Question number 6. In which among the following organizational process does the manager divide a part of work among the subordinate? Option A, delegation of authority, option B, principle of decentralization, option C, principle of flexibility, and option D, principle of leadership. The manager divide a part of work among the subordinate is also known as delegation of authority. Which is the process of inspiring the personnel with zeal to accomplish objectives of the organization? Option A, accountability, option B, autonomy, option C, confidentiality, and option D, motivation. Motivation is the process of inspiring the personnel, so option D is the right answer. Question number 8. The process by which new employees are introduced to the organization is known as option A, continuing education, induction training, option C, in-service education, and option D, simulation. The process by which new employees are introduced to the organization is known as induction training, so option B is the right answer. Question number 9. Among the following, which one refers to willingness to talk, discuss, and to make a compromise in an effort to get proposed change accepted? Option A, collective bargaining, option B, effective communication, option C, job description, and option D, public relation. Collective bargaining refers to willingness to talk, discuss, and to make a compromise in an effort to get proposed change accepted. Question number 10. Which of the following stage of conflict shows aggression, apathy, and rigid rules adherence leading to organizational ineffectiveness? Option A. Failed conflict. Option B. Latent conflict. Option C. Manifest conflict. And option D. Perceived conflict. In manifest conflict shows aggression, apathy, and rigid rules adherence leading to organizational ineffectiveness. Question number 11. Which of the following has characteristics feature of the groups demonstrated by mutual understanding and support, improvement of self-esteem and successful completion of goal of the group? Option A. Group cohesiveness. Option B. Leadership. Option C. Peer review. And option D. Perception. Here option A. Group cohesiveness is the right answer. Question number 12. Which one of the following is correct in nursing care delivery where nurses assume total responsibility for meeting all the needs of assigned patient during their time on duty? Option A. Case method. Option B. Functional nursing. Option C. Progressive patient care. And option D. Team nursing. In case method, nurses assume total responsibility for meeting all the needs of assigned patient during their time on duty. So option A is the right answer. Question number 13. Under which type of budget are the wages and salaries paid to regular institutional employees include? Option A. Capital budget. Option B. Fixed budget. Option C. Manpower budget. And option D. None of these. Here the manpower budget option C is the right answer. Question number 14. The process of establishing desirable standard of nursing care and then providing care to meet those standards is called as implementation, learning, quality assurance, and option D. Reinforcement. Quality assurance is the process of establishing desirable standard of nursing care. Question number 15. Which is the agreement by a client to accept a course of treatment or procedure after being provided complete information? Option A. Ethics. Option B. Informed consent. Option C. Responsibility. And option D. Scientific management. Here informed consent is the right answer. Informed consent is an agreement by a client to accept a course of treatment or procedure after being provided complete information. Question number 16. Which among the following is the act of obtaining goods or services typically for business purpose? Option A. Demand estimation. Option B. Ledger. Option C. Procurement. And option D. VD analysis. Procurement is an act of obtaining goods or services typically for business purpose. Question number 17. Which of the following leadership style is characterized by individual control over all in decision and legal input from group members? Option A. Autocratic leadership. Option B. Democratic leadership. Option C. Participative leadership. And option D. Passive avoiding leadership. Autocratic leadership style is characterized by individual control over all decision and legal input from group members. Question number 18. Which among the following is termed the misunderstanding and misinterpretation of meaning that restrict effective communication? Option A. Environmental barrier. Option B. Mechanical barrier. Option C. Personal barrier. And option D. Semantic barriers. Here option D. Semantic barrier is the right answer. Question number 19. In which among the following does an employee maintain discipline willingly by following the rules and regulation of the organization? Option A. Abusing. Option B. Negative discipline. Option C. Positive discipline. And option D. Sarcasm. In case of positive discipline, an employee maintains discipline willingly by following the rules and regulation of the organization. Question number 20. Among the following, which supervision of nursing students is done by qualified nurses to enable development of professional skill? Option A. Administrative supervision. Option B. Clinical supervision. Option C. Democratic supervision. And option D. Supportive supervision. Here, clinical supervision is the right answer. Question number 21. Which among the following term means action or practice? Option A, idealism. Option B, naturalism. Option C, pragmatism. And option D, realism. Pragmatism is practical application of ideas and the importance of experience in shaping knowledge, given by John Dewey. And pragmatism means action or practice. So option C is the right answer. Question number 22. Which curriculum consists of subject matter and learning activities planned day by day and week by week by a particular teacher for a particular group of students? Option A, cultural curriculum. Option B, institutional curriculum. Option C, instructional curriculum. And option D, societal curriculum. Instructional curriculum consists of subject matter and learning activities planned day by day and week by week by a particular teacher for a particular group of students. Question number 23. Which one of the following is a plan of action that includes working philosophy of the teacher, information and understanding of pupils, and ability to use effective method of education? Option A, evaluation plan. Option B, lesson plan. Option C, unit plan. And option D, none of these. Here, lesson plan is the right answer. Question number 24. A blackboard or chalkboard falls under which among the following type of aid? Option A, activity aid. Option B, audio aid. Option C, non-projected aid. And option D, projected aid. Blackboard is blackboard or chalkboard is non-projected aid. Question number 25. Among the following, which tool is used to assess the quality and standard of clinical performance of student? Option A, brainstorming. Option B, clinical evaluation. Option C, demonstration. And option D, pre-test. Clinical evaluation is used to assess the quality and standard of clinical performance of student. Question number 26. Which among the following is a face-to-face questions answer activity between the examiner and the examinee? Option A, written test. Option B, oral examination. Option C, short note. And option D, none of these. Oral examination is face-to-face question answer activity between the examiner and the examinee. Question number 27. Which of the following is a scaled down teaching encounter where a teacher teaches a small unit to a group of students for a small period of time? Option A, micro teaching. Option B, seminar. Option C, planned teaching. And option D, none of these. Micro teaching is the scaled down teaching encounter where a teacher teaches a small unit to a group of students for a small period of time. Question number 28. In which approach of counseling, the counselor is active and direct the individual in making decision and finding solution to the problem? Option A, directive counseling. Option B, elective counseling. Option C, group counseling. And option D, non-directive counseling. Here, directive counseling is the right answer. Next question. Guess is a process in which a clinical teacher and a group of students visit a patient at the bedside for observation and learning. Option A, bedside clinic. Option B, conference. Option C, symposium. And option D, workshop. Bedside clinic is a process in which a clinical teacher and a group of students visit a patient at the bedside for observation and learning. Question number 30. Which guidance provides assistance to students to perform satisfactorily in their academic work and choose appropriate course of study? Option A, educational guidance. Option B, health guidance. Option C, social guidance. And option D, none of these. Here, educational guidance is the right answer. Question number 31. Which one of the following written test requires the examinee to select the correct answer from several alternatives? Option A, diagnostic test. Option B, essay test. Option C, long answer test. And option D, objective type test. Here the right answer is option D, objective type test. Question number 32. Which one of the following domain is based on learning physical skill? Option A, affective domain. Option B, cognitive domain. Option C, psychomotor domain. And option D, social domain. Psychomotor domain is based on learning physical skill. So option C is the right answer. Question number 33. Proceeding from known to unknown is a part of which among the following? Option A, principles of planning. Option B, maxims of teaching. Option C, phases of workshop. And option D, all of these. Proceeding from known to unknown is the part of maxims of teaching. So option B is the right answer. Question number 34. Gas is a communication model that can be used to increase self-awareness. Option A, downward communication. Option B, Johari window. Option C, social relationship. And option D, upward communication. Johari window is a communication model that can be used to increase self-awareness. So option B is the right answer. Gas is a prepared list of statements relating to behavioral traits, activity skills, and personal characteristics. Option A, anecdotal record. Option B, checklist. Option C, summative evaluation. And option D, test. Here, checklist is the right answer. Question number 36. What is known as the sum total of students' activities which the school sponsor for the purpose of achieving its objectives? Option A, case study. Option B, curriculum. Option C, learning. And option D, teaching. Curriculum is known as the sum total of students' activities which the school sponsors for the purpose of achieving its objectives. Question number 37. A problem-solving activity whereby the student undertakes the comprehensive assessment of a particular patient is called option A, lecture. Option B, nursing case study. Option C, observation. And option D, panel discussion. Here, the right answer is option B, nursing case study. Question number 38. Which one among the following is a display board that shows the visual learning material on a specific subject? Option A, pamphlet. Option B, bulletin board. Option C, chart. And option D, all of these. Bulletin board is a display board that shows the visual learning material on a specific subject. Question number 39. Gas is a simple statement of an incident deemed by the observer to be significant with respect to a given people. Option A, anecdotal record. Option B, aptitude test. Option C, criticism. And option D, differential scale. Here, the anecdotal record is the right answer. Question number 40. Which is the search of comprehensive view of nature and attempt at the universal explanation of nature of things? Option A, aptitude. Option B, attitude. Option C, intelligence. And option D, philosophy. Here, philosophy is the right answer. Question number 41. Which among the following is manifested as severe dyspnea, orthopnea, pallor, tachycardia, and frothy blood tinged sputum? Option A, achalasia. Option B, gout. Option C, pulmonary edema. And option D, none of these. Pulmonary edema is manifested as severe dyspnea, orthopnea, pallor, tachycardia, and frothy blood tinged sputum. Question number 42. Which among the following disorder is caused by lack of insulin? Option A, anemia. Option B, Gavitis mellitus. Option C, goiter. And option D, hydrocele. Gavitis mellitus is caused by lack of insulin. So option B is the right answer. Question number 43. Which one of the following is a multisystem disorder characterized by development of hypertension 140/90 with proteinuria after the 20th week of pregnancy? Option A, preeclampsia. Option B, essential hypertension. Option C, miscarriage. And option D, all of these. Preeclampsia is a multisystem disorder characterized by development of hypertension with proteinuria after the 20th week of the pregnancy. Question number 44. Abnormal pregnancy in which the fertilized ovum is implanted outside the uterine cavity is termed option A, abortion. Option B, antepartum hemorrhage. Option C, ectopic pregnancy. And option D, molar pregnancy. Here, ectopic pregnancy is the right answer. In case of ectopic pregnancy, the fertilized ovum is implanted outside the uterine cavity. Question number 45. Gas is the herniation of abdominal viscera through the abdominal wall at the point of junction of umbilical cord and abdomen. Option A meningocele, option B myelomeningocele, option C omphalocele, and option D spina bifida. Omphalocele is the herniation of abdominal viscera through the abdominal wall at the point of junction of umbilical cord and the abdomen. Question number 46. Among the following, which one is a chromosomal abnormality with extra chromosome 21? Option A Gown syndrome, option B Egg-Walk syndrome, option C Klinefelter syndrome, and option D Turner syndrome. Here Gown syndrome is the right answer. Question number 47. In which psychological disorder there is an intense fear of becoming obese? Option A amnesia, option B anorexia nervosa, option C hallucination, and option D pica. In case of anorexia nervosa, there is an intense fear of becoming obese. Question number 48. Gas is a mental disorder characterized by absent social smile, lack of eye contact, abnormal social play, and inability to communicate in children. Option A autism, option B delusion, option C juvenile delinquency, and option D obsessive compulsive disorder. Here autism is the right answer. Question number 49. Which of the following disease is triggered by directly observed treatment short course in the community? Option A malaria, option B pneumonia, option C rubella, and option D tuberculosis. TB or tuberculosis is triggered by directly observed treatment short course dogs in the community. Question number 50. Which among the following includes indicator that measure birth rate, death rate, natural growth rate, life expectancy at birth, mortality, and fertility rate? Option A descriptive statistic, option B economic statistic, option C educational statistics, and option D vital statistics. Here option D vital statistics is the right answer. Question number 51. Which one of the following heart disease is a cyanotic heart disease? Option A Becking ductus arteriosus or PDA, option B pulmonary valve stenosis or PVS, option D tetralogy of Fallot TOF, and option D ventricular septal defect or VSD. Tetralogy of Fallot, which is just like a book-shaped heart, is known as cyanotic heart disease. Question number 52. CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation and defibrillation should be initiated in which of the arrhythmias? Option A atrial flutter, option B premature ventricular contraction, option C sinus tachycardia, and option D ventricular fibrillation. CPR and defibrillation should be initiated in ventricular fibrillation. Question number 53. Which among the following is a cancer of the immune system? Option A carcinoma, option B hernia, option C lymphoma, and option D sarcoma. Here the right answer is option C lymphoma. Question number 54. Paralysis of one side of the body is called option A celiac disease, option B Crohn's disease, option C hemiplegia, and option D spina bifida. Paralysis of one side of the body is called hemiplegia, so option C is the right answer. Question number 55. Which among the following is an inflammation of the urinary bladder? Option A cystitis, option B hydronephrosis, option C renal calculi, and option D urethritis. Here cystitis is the right answer. Inflammation of the urinary bladder is called cystitis. Question number 56. Gas is an attempt to restore the fractured bone in the normal anatomic position. Option A amputation, option B cartilage repair, option C joint fusion, and option D reduction. Reduction is an attempt to restore the fractured bone in the normal anatomic position. So option D is the right answer. Question number 57. Gas is a break in the continuity of gastrointestinal mucosa. Option A achalasia, option B gastroenteritis, option C peptic ulcer, and option D regurgitation. Peptic ulcer is a break in continuity of gastrointestinal mucosa. Question number 58. Mismanagement of which stage of labor causes inversion of uterus? Option A first, option B fourth, option C second, and option D third. Mismanagement of third stage of labor causes inversion of uterus. Question number 59. Congenital deformity in which the foot has a club-like appearance is called dislocation, genovalgum, scoliosis, and callus equinovarus. Congenital deformity in which the foot has a club-like appearance is called callus equinovarus. So option D is the right answer. Question number 60. Auditory hallucination are the disorder of which among the following option? Option A affect, option B attention, option C cognition, and option D perception. Here perception is the right answer. Question number 61. The variable in the research which is purposely manipulated by the researcher is called dependent variable, dichotomous variable, independent variable, and research variable. Independent variable in the research which is purposely manipulated by the researcher. Question number 62. The psychological response in which the subject in the research study change their behavior simply because of their awareness of being participated in the study is known as option A Hawthorne effect, option B novelty effect, option C reactive effect, or option D regression effect. In case of Hawthorne effect, the subject in the research study change their behavior because they know that they are being observed and they are the participated in the study. Question number 63. Among the following, which ethical principle directs the researcher to abide by the participant right to fair treatment and maintenance of privacy? Option A justice, option B leadership, option B non-malfeasance, and option D informed consent. Here justice is the right answer. Question number 64. Which among the following is not a requisite of good averaging in central tendency? Difficult to understand, rigidly defined, sampling disabilities, or simple to compute? Here the right answer is difficult to understand. Question number 65. The following are the characteristics of true experimental research design except assumption, control, manipulation, and randomization. Here assumption is the right answer. In true experimental research design, control, manipulation, and randomization are present. Question number 66. In which type of research design is a phenomenon existing in the present linked to phenomena that occurred in the past? Crossover design, factorial design, grounded theory, or retrospective design? Here retrospective design is the right answer. Question number 67. A study on the life experiences of COVID-19 patients admitted in intensive care unit is an example of cohort design, historical research, phenomenological research, or time series design. Here phenomenological research design is the right answer. Question number 68. A child affirmative agreement to participate in a research study is known as advance directive, assent, implied consent, or informed consent. Here the right answer is option B, assent. Question number 69. Which among the following principles is accepted as being true based on logic or custom without proof? Option A assumption, option B construct, option C theory, or option D none of these. Here assumption is the right answer. Question number 70. Which among the following is a non-probability sampling technique? Option A cluster sampling, option B Kyoka sampling, option C sequential sampling, or option D stratified sampling. Kyoka sampling is the non-probability sampling and other options are in probability sampling. Question number 71. An instrument designed to determine the opinion on or attitude toward a particular subject and containing a number of declarative statements is known as checklist, Likert scale, rating scale, or visual analog scale. Here Likert scale is the right answer. Question number 72. the extent to which an instrument consistently measures a concept is known as inactivity, objectivity, relativity or reliability. Here the right answer is option D, reliability. Question number 73. Guess is an error created by rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true. Sampling bias, sampling error, type 1 error and type 2 error. Here the right answer is option C, type 1 error. Type 1 error is an error created by rejecting the null hypothesis when it is true. Question number 74. Which among the following is the lowest level of measurement used when the data is organized into categories that are exclusive and exhaustive? Option A, interval, option B, nominal, option C, ordinal and option D, ratio. Here the right answer is option B, nominal. Question number 75. A statistical procedure for predicting the values of a dependent variable based on one or more independent variable is called ANOVA, chi-square test, correlation coefficient and option D, regression analysis. Here regression analysis is the right answer. Question number 76. The following are the measure of central tendency except mean, median, mode or range. Here all options are the true except range. Question number 77. The following are the characteristics of a normal probability curve except bell-shaped curve, option B, asymptomatic, option C, mesokartic and option D, mean less than median less than mode. Here option D is the right answer. In case of probability curve is normal, the mean, median, mode are equal. Question number 78. Which among the following is a non-parametric test? ANOVA, MC-NIMR, t-test or Z-test? Here option B, MC-NIMR is a non-parametric test. Question number 79. The positive square root of mean of the square deviation of value from the arithmetic mean is known as median, mode, standard deviation or variance. Here the right answer is option C, standard deviation. Question number 80. In case of raw data, which among the following will be the middle value after arranging the sample values in ascending or descending order? Mean, median, mode or none of this? Here median is the right answer. Question number 81. Among the following, which one is known as the intentional touch to another's body without their consent? Option A, battery, option B, frog, option C, negligence or option D, none of these. Here the right answer is option A, battery. Question number 82. Which among the following is a function of Indian Nursing Council? Option A, to prescribe syllabus for nursing program. Option B, to advise the state nursing council examining books, etc. regarding nursing education in country. Option C, to improve the quality of nursing education and option D, all of the above. Here all of the above are the right answer. Question number 83. According to the Patient Safety Act 1997, which information should be made available to the public by each healthcare institution? Option A, patient's mortality rate. Option B, number of adverse patient care incidents. Option C, number of RNS and UAP providing direct patient care. And option D, all of the above. Here all of the above are included in the Patient Safety Act in 1997, which information should be made available to the public by each healthcare institution. Question number 84. The following are the components of concurring list given by Union Ministry of Health except immigration and emigration, labor welfare, prevention of adulteration of foodstuff and option D, vital statistics. Here option A, immigration and emigration is the right answer. Question number 85. Which one among the following is known as a pattern of nursing care in which an identified nurse delivers consistent and comprehensive care to the client throughout their hospital stay? Option A, case management nursing, option B, functional nursing, option C, primary nursing and option D, team nursing. Here primary nursing is the right answer. Question number 86. In which year did the Government of India launch the National Mental Health Program? Option A 1980, option B 1982, option C 1985 and option D 1987. Here 1982 is the right answer. Question number 87. In which among the following phases of mitosis do the chromosomes reach the pole of their respective spindles? Anaphase, metaphase, prophase and telophase. Here the telophase is the right answer. Question number 88. A genetic disorder with trisomy 13 is also called Creutzfeldt syndrome, Edwards syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome or Patau syndrome. Here Patau syndrome is the right answer. Question number 89. The measurement of morbidity in which the number of new cases occurring in a defined population during a specified period of time is known as option A incidence, option B prevalence, option C sensitivity and option D specificity. Here the right answer is option A incidence. Question number 90. The number of deaths for all causes per 1000 estimated media population in 1 year in a given place is known as option A case fatality rate, option B crude death rate, option C proportional mortality rate and option D specific death rate. The number of deaths per 1000 estimated media population in 1 year in a given place is known as crude death rate. So option B is the right answer. Question number 91. The body temperature fluctuates but does not return to normal in which of the following pattern of fever? Intermittent fever, relapsing fever, remittent fever or sustained fever. Here remittent fever is the right answer. Question number 92. Who among the following proposed the nursing theory which focuses on the conservation principles? Becky Newman, Dorothy Orem, Jean Watson or Myra Levin. Here Myra Levin is the right answer. Question number 93. Who among the following proposed the goal attainment theory? Callista Roy, Imogen King, Martha Rogers or Virginia Hinderson. Imogen King is proposed the goal attainment theory. Question number 94. Which of the following is an example of wellness nursing diagnosis? Option A acute pain related to surgical trauma, option B possible self-esteem disturbance, option C readiness for enhanced spiritual well-being or option D risk for infection related to surgery. Here readiness for enhanced spiritual well-being, option C is the right answer. Question number 95. When 2-year-old Joy is hospitalized for tonsillitis, he will drink only from a bottle, even though his mother states he has been drinking from a cup for 6 months. What is the defense mechanism shown by the child? Displacement, projection, regression or sublimation. This type of defense mechanism is known as regression. So option C is the right answer. Question number 96. The cognitive development stage pertaining to a preschooler above the age of 2 years is concrete operational stage, formal operational stage, pre-operational stage and option D sensory motor stage. Here pre-operational stage is the right answer. Question number 97. Sexual gratification from actual or fantasized inanimate object is known as exhibitionism, fetishism, procurism or option D voyeurism. Here the fetishism is the right answer. Just let me live to see my children graduate. What stage of grief process in this individual going through? Option A anger, option B bargaining, option C denial or option D depression. This is anger, the bargaining stage, so option B is the right answer. Question number 99. In which among the following disaster a victim can be triaged with red color code? Option A already dead, option B immobilized closed fracture, option C minor tissue injury or option D severe abdominal injury. Severe abdominal injury is the right answer. The last question. A joystick is an example of antivirus, input device, processor or option D web browser. A joystick is an example of input device, so option B is the right answer. তো বন্ধুরা, এই ছিল আমাদের আজকের কোয়েশ্চেন পেপার। ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না। অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।